Good morning and welcome back to my channel, Nick's Wildlife Ventures. So I'm just going to have a little mooch around my local patch of coalhouse fault down at East Tilbury this morning. High tide is, well, it's about 9:30, so I'm going to head down to the radar tower, have a little look around there, see what I can see what images I can get for you to take. Any wildlife that's about, bird life. Oh yeah, I thought I'd take you along. Cheers guys. Well, it's turned out to be quite a nice morning. A bit hazy. The sun's just pushing through the clouds. It's actually quite warm. Oh yeah, I'm just going to head down to the radar tower down at Coalhouse. See what bird life we can see. It's gorgeous. Nice to hear with different bird song. There's a robin up there. Chiffchaffs. Heard some Goldfinch a minute ago. Oh yeah, it's lovely. So I'm just up near the radar tower. So tide from the tide should be on the ebb soon. Butterfly. If I get that. There you go. What species is that? Ah, it's a peacock. Just up there on the blossom. Just up there. Just hope you don't get fed up with me just doing my vlogs. Well, mainly around my local patch, Coalhouse. I mean, I actually love the place. It's my local, so. We will be venturing out later in the year. We're up to Scotland this year, up to Thurso. So, looking forward to that. I've been doing lots of research on different types of wildlife I can see out there. So, and then around September time, we're going to be heading out to heading over to Isle of Wight again. So hopefully I'll be doing a vlog on the red squirrels and the wildlife that lives on the island. Oh yeah, that's something to look forward to. Yeah, the tide is on its way out now. Let's go and have a look anyway, see what we can see. So just out there on the mud flats, there's a group of Avocets. Maybe about 9 or 10, maybe more. River's flat calm as well, look at that. Yeah, so I'm going to try and get some images of those Avocets for you in a second. If I'm quiet, you might be able to actually hear them calling. Let's try and get some images for you. Put those up in the gallery for you to look at. So I've got 12 Avocets out there at the moment. They've had to drop me right side down a little bit because it's quite bright out there. Yeah, that's not. Well, I've actually got that wrong. There's not 12, there's 24. I've just seen, just looked at my camera. And there's 24 Avocets out there. Which is nice to see, and they're all feeding. they've got that slender beak. They do that sort of brushing motion. Pick up their food source. And they're the RSPB emblem as well. So if you ever visit the RSP website or you got books, that's their emblem. And also we've got some, I think they're teal, just over there. Further out we've got a group of shell ducks. There's a few black-headed gull about. There's a little egret just over there. Oh yeah. I'll tell you what, that sun's quite warm now actually. Just my sunglasses in the car because I'm squinting. You get like a haze off the surface of the water. Yeah, it's quite nice. So I'm going to have a wander up the sea wall in a bit, up to the scrape, see what I can see over there. Yeah, just a general mooch around today. Nothing really different from what I normally do when I come up here, to be honest. So, yeah, nice. Just over there we've got a pair of black-headed gulls, and there's another pair just over there as well. Really nice light for photography this morning. Yeah, there's your radar tower. I think that was used by the Navy pre-Second World War, I believe. How's that for a spring day, for a spring morning? Look at that light. It's lovely. So this moat runs around this field. We've got water voles in there. I can see a few burrows. So if you're ever walking up along the sea wall, just have a little look. Because you never know, you might just see a water vole. They make it like sometimes they can be mistaken as rats, but when they're swimming, they make a distinctive V shape. I'll have to do another video on that another day. Water voles, they're one of my favourites. Well, they're subaquatic mammals. One of my favourites. Yeah, I can see a burrow. There's a burrow down there. Yeah, if you're ever looking for water voles, if you're ever down by a riverbank, there's a few signs to look out for. They feed on grass on stems, but the way their teeth are angled is at 45 degree. So the top of the stem will be cut at a 45 degree angle. They're called latrines. It's their poo, basically. They're in the shape of a tic-tac. About the shape and the size of a tic-tac. At one end is sort of rolled up a little bit, but they leave little piles about, and that's one sign. It's like a territorial thing they do. Also the same with the stems as well. They leave little piles not far from their burrows. Yeah, that's just a few tips just to look out for if you're interested in water voles. A few field signs to look out for. I'll put some pictures up of the water vole shots I've got over the years. So I've got a little local project. Well, I used to a couple of years ago. When I first noticed there was water voles near where I live, and I just got hooked, to be honest. I just set up little platforms. Friend Graham Wallace from Naturally Curious UK came down, done some filming and made a film for me. So I'll put a link up for that. That was nice to do. Yeah, it's basically about what I do down there, or what I was doing. So yeah, I've got really fascinated by water voles. I mean, I actually thought it was a rat at first, the first one I actually spotted. And then it wasn't until I got home and started doing some research, I found out they're water voles. So yeah, that was nice. I've just seen a robin down there, I'll get some shots. I've just seen a pair of kestrels fly up into the fall. I wonder if that's a nest site, or a beginning of a nest site. It's a breeding pair. One called as it flew in, and then the other one called back. It flew up, and they both went into the building. I won't give it away the exact location. I don't like giving things like that away, especially when it comes to kestrels. Yeah, that could be a potential nest site. So that's nice to hear. So I'm in the middle of the triple SI now. Just had a nice pair of linnets. Yeah, it's a mixture of sort of grassland, reed bed, brambles, sort of blackthorn. Yeah, it's quite a varied mixed habitat. Oh, there's another pair of linnet up there. I'll get some shots of those for you. So this part of the triple SI, come the summer months, we get carpets of, right, I might get this wrong, I think they're orchids, like a purple flower. But I will do more research on that because I can never remember what I think they're orchids. But I will let you know on that one. I'll look it up later. Sure, I've got some photos from last year. I'll put those up as well for you to look at. Also, this is a good, well, it's a great habitat for skylark as well, as I've probably said in my previous vlogs. All this area is good for them. They keep the ranger keeps the grass quite low in this area. Oh yeah, it's always worth a look at for the skylarks if you're about. So I've just managed to get a couple of skylark shots. They were down here just by the side of the path. Obviously I've scared them up. And that's flowing. They flew in the middle of the. Oh, there they go. Yeah, they just flew in the middle of the paddock there. So I managed to get a couple of shots on as I was on the ground. There we go. Right up in the sky. Just overhead. There you go. Are they skylarks or something else? And no, they're not skylarks. I'm not sure what they are actually. They might have been bunting or something. That's a skylark. Yeah, this is still part of the triple SI. I'm glad I made the effort to come out now. It's quite warm. At the moment I've got two pairs of skylark. They're doing a lot of chasing, quite low to the ground. There's a pair there, oh actually no, there's three pair. There's another pair just at the back of the field, there's another pair there. Yeah, there's a lot of chasing going on, so obviously that's male and female chasing about right in the middle of the field. That's nice. Yeah, there goes another pair over there. So I'm down by the scrape. We've got a pair of swans sort of in the middle of one of the scrapes. And I've just looked through my camera and they're building a nest. So that'd be nice to keep an eye on that and over the coming months. See how many young they have. So yeah, it's well protected from predators over there, like foxes. I don't think they can get on the scrape anyway. but they're pretty. They will fight away predators anyway. Swans. Yeah, I'm just watching. I'm not sure if it's the male or female. She's just picking up pieces of grass and bits and pieces, and she's transferring it just from the back of her, just where she is. The nest looks quite high at the moment, so I've just looked through it on the camera. Can't get any too far away for footage. So yeah, it's nice. So just up in this tree, just up there, there's a kestrel. I think it's a male up there preening. He's sitting there for ages. I managed to get some shots. I think it's some quite nice shots actually. I'll put those up in the gallery for you later. Yeah, just sitting there preening away, doing wing stretches and that sort of stuff. Yeah, it's nice. Right, now I know where the kestrel's going. I think it's the nest site. Yeah, definitely. There she goes. Yeah, I'm sort of 90% sure that's the nest site. I'm not going to give it away for obvious reasons. But yeah, I'm definitely going to come back and spend a few hours up here, I think. And the old parakeets chirping away. Let's try and get some shots for you. I think there's a pair up one of those trees just over there. Yeah, it's been a really nice day today. Weather's been spot on. A little bit overcast, but it has been really warm, so yeah. Summer's on its way.